How to add friends in MonopolyGO. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add friends in MonopolyGO. So if you want to play this game with your friends, make sure you stay till the end of this video and follow along all the steps to do it correctly. So let's open up our application. And now you want to tap on friends button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, as you can see in the add friends section, you have three options to add your friends. First one is through contacts, which will open up your contact list. Second one is through Facebook, which will open up your Facebook friends list. And the third one is most versatile, which is called invite. You just click on that and you click on this orange button, and it will give you a link, invitation link, which you can send directly to any of your friends that you want to play with through any messaging application that you are using on your phone. So basically that's it for today's very quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and goodbye.